Hello, my name is Angela Pike, and I am the newly named principal at Lakewood Elementary School. I am super excited to be leading our wonderful school. Tonight we are hosting open house. We are ready to open the doors in just a few minutes and welcome our students and families. This is for preschool, 1st through 5th grade. Our teachers have their rooms looking fabulous. We have transportation information. We have parent organizations, community organizations, just to hopefully helping our kids to feel comfortable about coming to school, excited about coming to school. We also have a nice photo opportunity for our Bruin leaders. We are actually going to be called the Big Top Leaders this year, as I think some are going with a circus theme. We have lots of exciting things planned this year, and we know it's going to be a great year.
My name is Tim Dennis. I'm with the White Mills Christian Church, and we are hosting our 11th year of Upward Soccer. We'll be at the White Mills ballpark as in the past, and looking forward to registering children, letting them know of the opportunity for an upward version of soccer. You can register online on the White Mills Christian Church face page or whitemillschristianchurch.com, or you can contact the school, and I'm sure that they will be glad to let you know how to go about getting signed up for soccer. Sign up soon.
Hi, I'm Hannah Brooks. I'm a targeted case manager for the Healthy Kids Clinic. I'm here with the therapist, Ron Flowers. We're here talking about our services and handing out goodie bags for all the kids here at Lakewood Elementary.
Shelley Kerr, school counselor, Lakewood Elementary. Tonight I am helping greet students, and I'm helping them making sure that they know what bus they're to get on the first few days of school and how they're getting home in the afternoon. Of course, we know that's some of the most important questions that parents have. We always want to make sure our students get home safe in the afternoon.
Hi, my name is Cheryl Archibald. I'm here at Lakewood Elementary, and this is the child care, and it's open house tonight. The child care plus the afternoon care for the children after school.
Hi, I'm Laura Henriott. I'm the nurse here at Lakewood Elementary School. We're having our open house tonight. Lots of people coming in, and they're coming in to see the nurse to get medications for the rest of the year started. Doing a lot of paperwork. We at Healthy Kids Clinic, we provide the nurse for each school. We have a dental program. We offer mental health services. We also do immunizations here at school. We have a nurse practitioner, one for each pod, and for each high school there's a nurse practitioner that comes out to see the elementary schools and middle schools. We can do telehealth with a nurse practitioner. If your child is sick, you can have them taken care of here at school, or if you can't get in to see a regular pediatrician, or if it's an emergency thing. We're here to support our community. We live in our community and we support our community, and we just having a good time here tonight.
Hi, my name is Whitney Lutz, and I'm the art teacher here. This is going to be my 9th year teaching art. I taught at West Hardin for 5 years. I love it here. It's so exciting. Everyone is so excited to learn. We do lots of fun things here. We use clay and paint and drawing and all kinds of different materials, and we have an absolute blast. I'm looking forward to seeing you all for this upcoming school year.
I'm Deputy Nate Gillingham with the Hardin County Sheriff's Office, and I'll be this year's School Resource Officer for West Hardin Middle School and Lakewood Elementary. This will be my first year as a School Resource Officer, and I think we're going to have a lot of fun this year.
Hi, welcome to the closing of Lakewood's open house. My name is Cheris Calden. I'm the Family Resource Center Coordinator here, and we have had several community members here available for families, and a lot of students came by to see their teachers and to talk to the bus transportation, and got to make an animal balloon for students or a sword, and we just had a fabulous time. I appreciate you coming out and visiting. This year's theme at Lakewood is a circus theme, so we're all about our big top leaders here at Lakewood. Thank you and have a good night.